everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make two basic cards. So this is the first one, and you can make both of these out of just one paper. In this one, you can write a message over here, and in this one, you can write your message on both sides. So to make these two, as I said, you only need one piece of paper. You will need a scissor, and you will need some markers, and you can use some papers. As you see, these are the papers I have put inside of these cards. And you don't need this kind of paper. You could just use a white paper. I took a white paper and painted it. You can do whatever you want for the paper that I have put inside. I've put one little square inside this one, and I have put two squares in here. So let's get started. And lastly, I forgot to say, we will also need some glue. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half to create a center crease. And then we're going to crease it really well, nice and sharp, so we can clearly see the crease. Now when we open it up, we're going to take our scissor, and all we're going to do is we're going to cut on the center line. Now that I have cut both of my pieces of paper, I'm going to start with one card, so I will put the other half to the side. So first, I'm going to teach you how to make this card. For this card, what you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in half, crease it, and then you're going to open it up and fold it. Take this edge and put it to the center crease that we just created. Now you're going to do the same on this side. Crease. And now you see we're pretty close to this. All we have to do is decorate it and add our paper. So I'm going to take one sheet of my paper, and I'm going to get some glue, and I'm going to first keep my flap open, and I will add some glue onto this paper. And then I will put my paper on. Now that I've glued my paper on, this again, you don't have to have the same kind of paper. You could put a white paper. I just painted a white sheet of paper and glued it on. And so now when I fold it, so again, just crease it really well, and then just crease both sides. And now you can take a marker, any colored, and you're just going to decorate it. So what I did was I drew half a heart on one of these flaps, and then drew the other half on another flap, and then just colored it in to make it look nice. You can do anything else. You don't have to make it half-hearted or something. You can do anything you want. So I'm just going to color my heart in like this. And then I can just add some patterns on the sides. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more. And then now, your little basic and simple card is ready. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make this card, in which which we open up and you can write your message on both sides. And then this one, you just write a message over here. So now we're going to bring back the other half that was left over from our whole piece of paper that we used to make this. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this in half. And then we're going to crease well. And basically that's all you have to do to make this card. And then I'm going to get 2 more of the little square I have painted. So I'm going to grab some glue. I will take one of my pieces of paper and just add some glue. And I will glue it on one of these sides. And now I will take my other piece of paper and I will glue this one on. So now you see I am almost ready with my card, except all I have to do is decorate it. And if your paper keeps on wanting to curl up, add some glue on the edges because it's probably having less glue or not enough. And then just push it down. If that doesn't work, then just fold your paper, crease on it, and just push it down and hold it so that all the glue just really sticks to it. And now you can decide which side you want to be the front. Like if you want this side, you can make it this side, or if you want the other side, you can make it that side. It doesn't matter which side you want. I'm gonna go for this side being the front. And if you have any extras, like right here I have an extra, I'm just gonna grab my scissor and I'll just like snip it off from right here, that, so that then it just fits inside. And now I decide I wanted to make this side my front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black marker, and as I've written right here, enjoy your day, I can write anything like that, but I'm just going to write enjoy your day. Okay, so, and now the last step to making this is I'm just going to take another marker and I'm going to add little curves on the edges like I've done over on this one. This one, and then this one. And then this is an optional activity, you don't have to do it. You can go inside and add stars on all the corners like I have. Just to decorate it, you don't have to do this. This is all your choice and it's all optional. So just gonna add a star, another star, another one in the corner, and then one in the other last one. And then I'll add another, and I'll add stars on all 4 of these corners too. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now my 2 cards are ready. This is my first card that I have taught you to make. And here is the other card. You can use these for any occasion, birthdays, you can make it for Father's Day, Mother's Day, you could even give it to your siblings, it doesn't matter. And again, you don't have to have a painted paper, you could use any paper, even a white sheet of paper, anything will work. And these are really simple, and you can make this anytime for any occasion. Remember, please like and subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Bye!